behind your lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
So away we go with qualification match number 11. We've got a few ways to score during autonomous. That is if the robot leaves the starting zone, which you can see we're ranking up points quickly. You can grab a 2 for a couple of points for putting it into the amp, and 5 for loading up the speaker. That's why we have a 22-17 score heading into the teleop. Plenty of ways to score points here. And that's exactly what the Red Alliance is doing, starting off with Decibel firing some notes way up into the red zone, and that's where Pluto and Felix will take care of putting those into the speaker. Get those up to amplified, and you can make, instead of just 2 points, you can make yourself 5. Let's take a look at the Blue Alliance, see how they're doing. Both Pulsar and Sonic loading in the points for the Blue Alliance into that subwoofer and into the speaker. With just over a minute to go playing in our qualification match, it right now is a very tight match where the scores are equal at 32 apiece. That'll change quickly, and you can see that as the Blue Alliance just grabbed a couple more. Heavy traffic in the center line. We'll see exactly how that strategy plays off, if indeed they're playing a little defense. It is the Decibel, the Warlock's robot, that is firing those notes up into their own zone, then decides to take one of their own, piles it into the amp as they are into the zone, the amp zone, as they try to make some extra points that way. All tangled up in the Red Alliance zone between the Pulsar, for the Blue Twilight, and the Warlock's Decibel. We'll see how that plays out as we get close to coming to the end and our end game. We'll see how the Blue Alliance chooses to line things up here in the final 20 seconds. Add in a few more points by putting it into the subwoofer for Pluto of the Argonauts. Now we're going to line things up for the final 10. Red Alliance's Felix trying to climb onto those chains and now get some air between the court. Here come the high notes for the Blue Alliance, one for sure. Red Alliance is going to have one up on the chain. We'll check to see how the penalties play out. Takes the win with a new high score early in today's competition. With a score of 88, they pick up 4 ranking points along the way.